white jacket and the thick accent. Like, maybe it's all in my head, but I bet we'd have really good bed chem. How you pick me up, tell me around, now it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's bad chem. How you looking at me, I know what that means and I'm obsessed. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. Come right on me, I mean camaraderie. Said you're not in my time zone, but you wanna be. Where art thou? Why not upon of me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy. Just the cute guy with the white blue eyes and the big bad